it is a good idea when you're starting a word problem to define the variables you're going to use in your equations. So we're going to define length as being equal to L and width as being equal to W. And then we're given a relationship between them in the problem. We're told that the length equals the width plus 8, or L equals W plus 8. We also know that the original area minus 36 square meters is going to give us the reduced area. So we can take this information and our knowledge of how to find areas of rectangles to rewrite this equation using length and width. So the original area is the length times the width. We're going to subtract the 36, and the reduced area is the length reduced by 2 multiplied by the width reduced by 2. Now we need to make a substitution because we can only solve an equation if we only have one variable in it. So we're going to substitute in W plus 8 everywhere we see L. That's going to eliminate the length variable and allow us to solve for the width. So we'll have W plus 8 times W minus 36 equals, and now we substitute in W plus 8 for L again on the right side of the equation. And so we have that W plus 8 minus 2 multiplied by W minus 2. Now if we distribute through on the left-hand side, we'll end up with W squared plus 8W minus 36 is going to equal W plus 6 times W minus 2. Now we can leave the left side alone for a moment, and we're going to FOIL out the right side. So we're going to get W squared minus 2W plus 6W minus 12. Now if we straighten up our right side of the equation, we'll have W squared plus 4W minus 12. We can now subtract W squared from both sides of the equation. That's going to leave us with 8W minus 36 on the left and 4W minus 12 on the right. We can now subtract 4W from both sides, and that will leave us with 4W minus 36 equals negative 12. If we add 36 to both sides, we'll have 4W equals 24. And now if we divide both sides of the equation by 4, we'll have W is equal to 6. Going back to the original relationship between length and width, we know that length is the width plus 8, so the length has to be 6 plus 8, which means length is 14. And so width is 6, length is 14 are our final answers.